Outside shows an explosion has damaged a Jewish school in the Dutch capital, Amsterdam, in what authorities have described as a deliberate attack on the Jewish community. Amsterdam Mayor Femke Halsema said the overnight blast caused limited damage to the outer wall of the school located in the Buitenweldt district, with no injuries reported. The mayor condemned the incident as a cowardly act and stressed that Amsterdam must remain a place where Jewish residents can live safely, noting that security had already been heightened at Jewish institutions following a suspected arson attack on a synagogue in Rotterdam.